Okay guys, you're welcome to my channel. Welcome to Classic Ola. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly subscribe for more updates. And if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome and welcome. Please stay tuned and watch the video to the end.
Success is a famous Nigerian kid comedian and a YouTube personality who was discovered by Mark Angel Comedy Skits, a short comedy video published every Friday on YouTube. She was born on the 19th of July 2013 in Port Harcourt, Rivers State in the southern part of Nigeria. She is currently 6 years old as of 2020 and also a cousin to Mark Angel and Emanuela. She is still in primary school and is very intelligent, brilliant and clever. She came into limelight after featuring in several episodes of the Mark Angel Comedy Skits. She joined the Mark Angel Comedy crew in late 2017 and due to her intelligence and creativity she was able to master her lines very well and act like a professional. Success has really contributed immensely to the growth of the Mark Angel Comedy brand. In 2020, through the help and commitment of Aunty's success in the comedy crew, Mark Angel Comedy YouTube channel became the first ever Nigerian-owned YouTube channel to hit over 6 million subscribers. Here are some
I
of
don't
her
have
comedy.
money. I'm the only person in the house.
But you have Apple.
How?
The Apple at the back of your phone. Is that in there not Apple? It's the remaining one.
How many people did Jesus Christ feed the 5 loaves of bread and 2 fishes? Anybody that can answer it, I'll give the person my phone.